in Cedar Falls, Iowa. I got a heads up from a buddy north of here around Finchford, Iowa. He said there's a coach car on an Iowa Northern train. Well, he sure was right. We got an eastbound Iowa Northern here in Cedar Falls, Iowa. Just come off the Cedar Falls Junction. You don't see passenger cars very often around here, so yeah, that's a shorty. Thanks, Harold, for the heads up. Red's Iowa Train videos. Yeah, Red's Iowa Train videos here at the Cedar River in Cedar Falls, Iowa. Got the boat club, boathouse over here and stuff. Bunch of pontoon boats. But the thing of interest to me is I got this Norfolk Southern powered CN train sitting right here. And he's just sitting just shy of the Center Street intersection, which is kind of odd. I heard the dispatcher telling me he needed to stop at the Monett Junction, which is another about 1.5 miles east of here. But he's just sitting right here just shy of the Center Street intersection. And wrapping around the river here. He's waiting for an Iowa Northern to clear ahead of him up there on the Waterloo Yard, doing some work apparently. Get all the way over here, that signal light, that's the Cedar Falls Junction. That's where the Iowa Northern diverges north. But yeah, we got this NS power sitting here. Pretty rare you see him stop right here though. He could have stopped at the Cedar Falls Junction and sat there, but for some reason he's sitting here, so yeah, we'll walk up here a little bit and get a little closer shot. Yep, number 4077. DC to AC conversion one right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, hard to say how long it's going to take for the Iowa Northern to clear out of the way, but yep, Norfolk Southern power in Cedar Falls, Iowa. Waiting for the go-ahead. Yeah, like I said, you don't see them sit at that intersection. It's real rare to see a train sitting there like that. Pretty odd, actually. Yeah, eastbound Cedar Falls, Iowa. Try to catch them going over the bridge, maybe. Hey, it's supposed to stop at Monett Junction here. That's about another half a mile or so. Mile. Yeah. The Ice House Museum right here. Patiently. There's the other one. Oh yeah. Pretty good sized train. Got some fun old box cars there. Yep. Rounding the Ice House Museum, Cedar Falls, Iowa. Red's Iowa Train Videos.